Struggling with home gardening? Smart Garden is here to help. With real-time monitoring of temperature, sunlight, and soil moisture, plus automated watering and AI plant health analysis, Smart Garden makes growing a thriving garden effortless. This is the home screen of the app. Here, the user can add a new plant to the garden or remove an existing one. They can also change the type of plant. Additionally, the user can select watering settings for each plant: automatic watering, nighttime watering only, or weather-based watering for energy efficiency. Users can also add a new plant and customize its preferences accordingly: desired water level, sunlight, and temperature. Now we can see that the lemon was added successfully. As demonstrated here, we can see that when the system is set to automatic watering, watering only at night and water by weather conditions, the water pumps won't be activated, even when the moisture sensor indicates dryness for the plant. However, when the system is set to automatic watering without other limitation, the moisture sensor indicates the pump to start watering the plant. This is the app's user interface, displaying all the data about the plant: temperature, soil moisture, light exposure, and statistics. You can view time-based statistics, soil moisture measurements, light levels, and temperature over time. You can also monitor the water level inside the garden's water tank. Furthermore, you can use the AI feature: upload a photo of the plant to the cloud. With AI and deep learning, the app can detect if the plant is sick and identify the disease, if any. Let's check a picture of a healthy plant. Great, the plant is indeed healthy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our Smart Garden project. With automated care and seamless monitoring, we're nurturing a vibrant ecosystem. Here's to a future filled with thriving plants and sustainable growth.